Welcome back. I hope you had a good break. I hope you got plenty of practice to find out bond prices and bond yields. Now, in this lecture, we continue to explore the different yield measures associated to bond investments. And the first of these measures is a measure called the current yield. Okay? So the current yield basically is calculated as the annual coupon payment, okay, divided by the bond price, right? So for example, suppose you have an 18-year period bond, so an 18-year bond, paying a coupon rate of 6%, and its market price is $700.89 per $1,000 of face value. So the current yield of this bond is simply equal to the coupon payment, right, divided by the price, okay? So basically, why is this measure useful? Because it is telling you how much cash you can expect from this, from holding this bond in a year time, okay? Because this is the annual coupon, the amount of coupon payments that you get in a year, and this is the price, right? So the current yield basically is telling you how much in cash you're getting from holding the bond for 1 year, okay? It doesn't say anything if you want to hold the bond until maturity or not, but it's just telling you, look, if you get this bond and if you hold it for 1 year, this is how much cash you're getting from that. Okay, so that was the current yield. And now we talk about another yield measure, which is called yield to call. And as you may remember, in one of the first units, we talked about callable bonds. And the callable bond, let's recall the definition now, is in a callable bond, the issuer can repurchase the bond at a specific price before maturity. Okay? So it is a sort of commitment of the bondholder to repurchase the bond and therefore paying the creditor even before maturity. Okay? So in this case, we cannot talk about yield to maturity because the bondholder is not holding the bond until maturity. But we will talk of yield to call. Okay? So let's see an example in Excel of how to calculate the yield to call.